I was given this portable car vacuum so that I could give you guys a fair and honest review. Let's take a look. Immediately when I open the box, I am impressed with the overall presentation. You can tell that they really put a lot of thought and care into the design of how it's going to be packaged. It also comes with your instruction manual so that you can go through every single one of these pieces and you know exactly what they're for. I just opened it up and I don't think I've ever fallen in love with a vacuum before, but I think I just did. So this is the body of it. This is what is going to be charged up. It has a really nice weight to it. And overall, the quality of the materials that they chose are absolutely fantastic. I am so impressed. This is the main attachment, and you can see right there, it has the little cavity, and it was really easy to be able to just pop on and twist, and there you go. So this is gonna be your on-off button, and then you hold it down when you wanna shut it off. So I'll press it. And it has the air blowing out on this side, and really great suction here. And you can see, you can hear it. It just got even louder with the suction. So it has multiple levels of suction, and I absolutely love this compact size. This is going to be so great to be able to keep in the car and really get into all of the nooks and crannies. I see here this push button, and I bet if I pushed that, that is where the garbage is going to go, and that is how you can easily dump it out. So even just the first time using this, the way they designed it was really intuitive. So you are not going to be struggling with wires and a million different attachments, although there are a few other attachments I want to show you.
Here's an overview of all of the attachments and the replacement filters. I thought that they included so many different things, and the attachments were incredibly easy to be able to switch back and forth, from cleaning out your cup holders to the car to the floor mats underneath the seats. I feel like there was an attachment for absolutely everything. It has a fantastic runtime of almost an hour, and I love that it is cordless and it is pretty lightweight and rechargeable. I absolutely recommend this as having something in your car so that you can help clean up any messes. I am very much loving this so far. Definitely recommend.